how to fix highlights not working on Instagram. So if your Instagram highlights are actually not working, there could be a couple of reasons as to why this is happening. The first thing that you want to make sure is that your internet connection is working just fine. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data or vice versa and see if that actually helps you solve the problem. Now, another thing you can do is if you're using an Android phone, you can simply open up settings on your Android and you can go to the option called apps. In the search bar, you can just search for Instagram right here and select that. And from Instagram, you can scroll down to storage and you can choose to clear the cache files, and you can also choose to clear the data if you want to. After that, go to your Play Store or your App Store. Just search for the Instagram app and you simply have to check if the Instagram app has an update, and if it does, then do make sure to update it to the latest version. So hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.